Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Realme C33 does have the fingerprint sensor. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Now let's navigate to Security tab. And right here there's a face and fingerprint unlock, so that confirms that this device does have the fingerprint. Now we just need to locate this sensor, and I think it's right here on the right side of your phone, or maybe on the bottom of the screen. Yeah, it's this one right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.